Welcome back, guys. So right now, we want to build our first website with the Hostinger AI, which is Hostinger Website Builder, which is this, like I was trying to show you in the other video. So now we want to click on that. So I'm going to click on Hostinger Website Builder, and it brings me to the dashboard of where I'm going to build the Hostinger Website Builder, which is an AI powered for website building. So I'm going to use this to build a website, and these are ways you could build professional websites. So what you want to do now is simply prompt engineering. Now we're going to prompt what we want to do. The first prompt we have to do, we have to create a brand name. Whatever brand you are creating a website for, you input the brand name right here. And the next thing is the description. So we have the description right here. So you're going to write the description of what you want your website to be like. This is where the prompt comes in. And right here, we have a sample which says we are a marketing agency based in London. Our team of experts has more than 10 years of experience and is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. Use blue colors for the website. So this is a sample of how the description of your website should be like. Then you click on create to create the website. So those are the simple steps for you to create a website here on Hostinger with the Hostinger Website Builder, which is an AI powered website builder to build websites here on Hostinger. So we're going to proceed right now. We're going to start by engineering the prompt, and to engineer the prompt, it's either you use this Hostinger Website Builder or you use a pre-made template. So if you try to use a pre-made template, let's click on that. So you see different categories of templates. We have e-commerce, we have photography. So depending on what you want to create for, so we have fashion, we have community, we have entertainment, we have health and beauty, we have services, we have proper templates, we have technology. So you could choose a template if you want to, and you're going to see different templates, but this is not what we're going to do right now. So you could say you want to choose a template, choose technology, and you get to see different websites, different templates right here. So you could choose any of these templates to build your website if you feel like. You could choose your popular templates. Let's see what popular templates are. So you see your popular template right here. So these are popular templates, and you could use any of these templates to build your website. So this is using templates to build websites. But right now, I want to build our first website with Hostinger AI. So let me show you how to build the website with Hostinger AI. So right now, we have to do some prompts like I showed you earlier on. We have to carry out some prompts. So now the first name is the brand name. So the brand name will be AAIPIPSTS. That will be the brand name right here. And that's what I just did. I just showed you the brand name, which is this. Then I'm going to proceed to the description right here to write the description of the website. And this is what really matters. You need to know how to prompt. So you need to know how to prompt for your website creation. So I want to try to create a description for this. So let's create a description right now. So your writing skill comes into play right now. So I want to create a description. So I would say we are we are a peace institute. So like it's just like I'm bidding for a client right now. We're a peace institute, and our institution our institution is about peace building, peace building and conflict resolution. The website would feature our the website will feature okay, we feature our offerings with our educational courses on peace studies and our community services to different villages in Niger State, Minna, Okay, and we're going to have something again, services to different villages in Niger State, Mina. So we can add something about the style of the website. Our brand color, our brand color is deep blue and white. Create create about 4 pages. So it depends on what you want to create. Create 5 pages for this website. Create 5 pages for this website. 5 pages for this website. Yes, 5 pages for this website. Then we're going to list the pages we want to create. So home. So we're going to say home. Yes. About us. Yes. About us. We say courses. Yes. Courses. And it remains to about us home courses, and let's say events, then would have forum. Yeah, that will be the 5 pages. So right now you could see we have a great description from here, is indicating that this is a great description and we can proceed. So you could see from here that we did a great description right here. So that's great description. And here we have the characters. So you can prompt, your prompting can have up to 700 characters. And so far we'll be able to work on 366 characters. So we can proceed to create the website. We've given it a brand name, which is this, the AIPSDS from here. So that's the brand name, and this is the description right here. So we are going to proceed to create the website. So all we have to do is to use this create website button to create the website. So let me do that right away. So I'm going to create the website, and right now generative AI, the Hostinger builder, will create our first website for us. Then I'll show you how to edit this website, how to use AI to write the content of the website, how to change the layout of the website. So you could do a lot with this from your mobile phone, and that's what we are trying to do right now. And this is as simple as this. The generative AI created a website for us, and the website would look so good. So this is the website so far. So this has been created, and these are first websites, and it's looking great to me. As you could see, we have the website right here. We could go through and see what it looks like. So the responsiveness can be changed. We right now we are currently on the desktop view, which is this, but we could change from desktop view. We could change to the mobile view, which is this. So we can change to mobile view to see what the mobile view would look like, and we can switch between mobile view and desktop view. So let's see the mobile view. So this is the mobile view of the website the generative AI created for us. So here we have building peace through education and community. So you could go on, you see building peace through education and community. Then we go on and on. So you could see our website is coming in handy and is looking so great so far. So we could change some of this content, we could change the text, we could change everything and change layout. But right now we have a good content. All we have to do is I'll show you how to edit, and right here you could click on the hamburger. This is the hamburger right here. So you could click on the hamburger to see the pages we created. So we could just check that out. So clicking on the hamburger, we have the home, we have the about, we have the courses, we have the events. As you could see from here, we have the home right here, we have the about right here, we have the courses right there, we have the events, we have the forum, just as we described in the prompts, and it's looking great so far. So this is what the mobile view looks like. Then we could navigate through the pages. We could choose to navigate to the about page. Yes, and we're going to be able to navigate to the about page, see what the about page looks like. Then you could click on the hamburger again to navigate to the courses page, and you see what it looks like right here. Look at the courses page right here, see what it looks like right here. And you could go ahead to navigate to the events page. Then you see what the events page page looks like. Look at the event page right here and look at what the event page looks like. Then we could go ahead to look at the forum page. Then you see what the forum page looks like right now. Look at the forum page right here, and the forum page looks okay to me. Then here we have the whole website created, and that's the mobile view. So you could check out the desktop view, and this is what it looks like on desktop. So you come back to home and see what it looks like. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to edit this website, and you could go ahead to create a new website if you don't want this. So you could go ahead to create a new website, and we have different color palettes right here, which you could choose from the color palette if you feel like you don't want any of the color palettes right here. Look at the color palette right here. So we have different color palettes right here that can be chosen from, but we'll not do that right now. So I'll see you in the next lesson where we get to edit this AI website. But so far, I like what I see. I'll just show you how to edit them. So you could create a website for any brand you want to create for, not just a Peace Institute. After you've gotten your domain, you've connected your domain to an Hostinger account, you could go ahead to use AI to create the website. Then you edit some of the content to tailor it to the brand you are creating for. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to edit. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you there.